I started riding motorcycles in 2011 when I bought my first bike. I've always wanted to ride. I've always had a love for motorcycles. It was pretty much almost an obsession as well. A general day at the bakery is between 4:30 and a 5 a.m. start. The shop opens at 7, so we've got a lot of deadlines to get the pastries and breads out. We bake today for today, so everything we do is freshly baked. And we try to be honest and ethical in our product as well as in our daily lives. One of the main criteria of being a baker is to be creative. To stand out, you have to be different and you need to be able to create and innovate. I don't think there's many other bakeries in South Africa doing what we do, and that definitely translates into being creative with the bikes. So I started off with the Breakout, which is an amazing bike, but I felt I needed a new bike. I rode a couple of different Harleys. They're all great bikes, but none of them really spoke to me like the FXDR. So when I got on the FXDR, I was in the zone. It was amazing. I felt right, this is the bike for me. Customizing has always been a passion of mine, so we've brought that through into the two passions of baking and biking. There's an element of biking in all our branding that we do. When we redesigned the actual logo, part of my brief was the bar and shield of Harley Davidson and how we could keep the croissant in with Jason Bakery and merge the two. I can never have anything stock standard, so it's great to personalize it. Done a lot of work to the bike. We've changed the pipes, we changed the heavy breather, a whole lot of little accessories, the rocker heads, lost dimension. I don't think there's another FXDR out there that looks like that. Harley Davidson is not just a brand, it's a lifestyle. It is, you live the brand. You can see a Harley rider because he's passionate about it. It's not just getting him from A to B. And it's great to see. It's a community that's bound by this lifestyle of a great brand. My Harley Davidson definitely brings freedom into my life. It's the raw power, it's the handling, it harnesses all of that, and that whole lineage of Harley Davidson since 1903 definitely comes through. It's a feeling of being able to do what you want when you want. It's not being bound by steel and glass windows, and it just allows you to be you and not have to pretend to be anybody else and fit into society's perception of who you should be and what you should be.